Sandbox. I know you probably think, oh, today we're just gonna go to the beach to get some sand in the box and make beautiful sand castles. But no, that's not it. Hey guys, welcome into the Metaverse on Crypto TV Plus. In today's video, we're gonna be taking a portal into the Sandbox Metaverse. Let's do this. Built in 2018, the Sandbox is based on the Ethereum blockchain and is a decentralized NFT gaming metaverse. The Sandbox makes it possible for non-tech savvy users to create, sell, use, and monetize their virtual reality NFTs. Pixel, the creators, enjoyed the success of the Sandbox in 2011 and the Sandbox Evolution in 2016, respectively. Now let's find out what it's like to be inside the really cool Sandbox Metaverse. The Sandbox Metaverse comprises 3 integrated products that give a comprehensive gaming experience for the user-generated content UGC production. The 3 integrated products are as follows. VoxEdit. This enables the user to create voxel models. The voxels are the building blocks in the Sandbox game, which are 3D pixels. It is an NFT creation package for Mac or PC that lets users create and animate any 3D objects like human beings, vehicles, animals, and so on. Next up is, of course, the marketplace. The marketplace in the Sandbox lets users upload, publish, and sell their voxel model creation made with VoxEdit. First, the users upload their creations into an IPFS network that gives decentralized storage and helps them register onto the blockchain to prove their ownership. Then, post this. The creations turn into assets that the user can sell by making a sale offer in the marketplace, through which the prospective buyers can also make the purchase. And lastly is the Game Maker. With the help of the Game Maker, anyone can create their own 3D games for free. Wow! Even those creators who do not have any coding experience can create stunning 3D games by themselves within minutes due to the user-friendly visual scripting tools. In the Sandbox ecosystem, there are typically 4 types of users: players, creators, curators, and landowners. And there are 6 types of tokens in the Sandbox Metaverse. But in order to create an enclosed economy amongst the users, they usually rely on 4 user-specific tokens: Sand, Assets, Land, and Game. Sand token is a utility token used within the Sandbox for all the interactions and transactions using the ERC20 standard. One can view Sand as the native currency or Sandbox coin in the Sandbox Metaverse. The user can use the Sand token for governance, staking, foundation, accessing the platform, and the free capture model in the Metaverse. Land is a digital real estate portion of the Sandbox ecosystem. The user can buy a land by learning about the Sandbox Metaverse's entire landscape. Regular and premium land are the 2 types of land available to users. Land is an essential component that the user will need in order to expand their games and worlds, and users cannot play this game without a token. In addition, the Sandbox has also collaborated with Snoop Dogg and deadmau5 in the form of virtual performances. Feel free to let us know what you think about the Sandbox in the comment section below. Is this a project you're willing to go into in the nearest future? Let me know in the comment section as well. For more information on this project, visit our website cryptotvplus.com, and if you enjoyed this video, feel free to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more engaging content from Crypto TV Plus. That's it for now. Until next time, bye-bye.